Hello everyone, welcome to the Hessan Knowledge channel. Today we will introduce the second dust cleaning machine, our 3-belt anti-static cleaning machine. As you can see here, is the rocker is to control the thickness of the panel. And here is the sensor. Once the panel goes through and touch this sensor, and brush the button and surface and both sides of the panel. And the most important function of this machine is anti-static function. Here is 3 pipes, and usually customer can use the anti-static water to clean the bowl. And here is 2 sprayer. Once the bowl goes through, the sprayer will spray the anti-static water and then clean the panel surface and button. And also, many customers control the course of the anti-static water. They will use the industrial alcohol to replace the anti-static water. Here is all for today about our second cleaning machine. For more information about our cleaning machine, please keep in touch with Hessan Knowledge channel. See you!